Imagine transforming two failed launches into a global success story. Explicate achieved this by transitioning a struggling program into a thriving global execution. Discover how they successfully tracked over 9,000 deliverables. In under 8 months, Explicate moved from pilot to full execution. This involved planning 87 project teams and engaging 233 global team members. Their success lies in structured, disciplined, and scalable project management. Collaboration was key. Explicate engaged with a diverse set of team members across product life cycles, from R&D to sales. This ensured seamless collaboration and knowledge sharing, crucial for the program's success. By mobilizing 87 project teams in the same structured manner, Explicate harnessed the power of global collaboration. This approach fostered innovation and efficiency, driving the program's success and setting a benchmark for future projects. Central tools were pivotal in live tracking over 9,000 deliverables. These tools provided site-by-site project status reports, offering C-suite transparency and complete visibility from regulation to task. With absolute transparency, Explicate ensured traceability and accountability. This approach not only enhanced project management, but also built trust and confidence among stakeholders. Explicate's standardized toolkit enabled seamless knowledge sharing and collaboration. Their structured approach to project management is both disciplined and scalable, ensuring consistent success across projects. By adopting Explicate's strategies, your business can also achieve successful project execution. Embrace their approach to enhance collaboration, transparency, and scalability in your own projects. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the third part of this case study. Watch out for the following episodes, or get in touch for the full thing if you can't wait. If you missed the first 2 episodes, they were shown yesterday and the day before. Tune in tomorrow to find out what made this program work and how you can apply the same approach to your business. Looking forward to seeing you then.